Hi everyone, today is an amazing day and I thought I would share with you what we're going to be doing tomorrow. Me and James at Lads Talk Health are going to be running a free experience and we're going to take you through what we do. So many of you have seen us now on our Instagram Live, you've seen a number of the posts that we do. We still haven't introduced you to our unique gifts. Me and James over the last few years have created our own healing experiences, and it combines breath work, meditation, visualization. There's not any of them. It's very unique. And for people to understand what it is, they need to experience it for themselves. So we're running 2 workshops tomorrow, one at 10 a.m. and one at 8 p.m. So both on Friday. They're both going to be for an hour, and me and James are going to combine. And it's the first time we're going to deliver one together using both of our gifts. It's going to take you on a journey. All you need to do is turn up and let go. Be open to something new, be open to a unique experience, and what you will take from it is your own unique experience. Me and James over the last few months have been getting many testimonials from clients, and after their sessions, the insights, the understandings, answers to questions, decisions that need to be made, a complete escape from this current world at the moment, and they take themselves to a place of bliss. But it's your own creation, and within that space all your answers come true. It's magic. So we're going to invite you, I'm going to share the links for this below, and we'd like you to turn up and see what comes up for you. But you'll see what we then do, and you'll see what it can do for your life, because once you start feeling these experiences, that is your truth, and then you can start working back from where you are right now to make that happen. It's connecting with your soul, it's connecting with your intuition, your gut feeling, and the answers always show themselves. So tomorrow 10 a.m. and tomorrow at 8 p.m, and we look forward to sharing this with you.